Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best bell housings is probably one of the most critical yet often overlooked components in your vehicle's drivetrain, acting as the vital connection between your engine and transmission, and ensuring that power is transferred smoothly and efficiently to the wheels. A high-quality bell housing not only protects these essential parts from debris and damage but also contributes significantly to the overall performance and longevity of your vehicle's powertrain, making its selection a crucial decision for any car enthusiast or daily driver seeking optimal reliability and driving experience. Number 5. GOOACC GRC 3120 PCS Car Retainer Replacement Kit. Introducing a versatile kit designed to meet all your car's retainer needs. It offers a wide range of sizes for various applications. This kit includes 4 essential hole sizes, 6.4mm, 8mm, 9mm, and 10mm. These are perfect for replacing various push-pin rivets across many vehicle brands. Crafted from high-quality black nylon, these clips are built to last. They resist wear and corrosion, ensuring they won't easily break or crack during use. These fasteners are ideal for numerous uses, including trim and door panels, bumpers, fenders, and engine covers. They are also suitable for equipment in telecommunications, motor vehicles, appliances, and furniture. You'll receive 120 assorted bumper push rivet clips in the specified sizes. Plus, a handy fastener remover is included for your convenience. Designed for a universal fit, this kit ensures compatibility with a broad spectrum of vehicles. It's the perfect solution for your replacement needs. What we like. This kit offers a massive quantity of clips in 4 essential sizes, perfect for any DIYer or professional needing a wide range of fasteners. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to replace various trim and panel clips on your vehicle, this is an excellent choice. It ensures you'll have the right clip for most common applications, saving you trips to the auto parts store. What people say. The clips seem to fit and snap in place as one would expect. This saves me time, prevents rattles and keeps things looking neat because I have all the needed sizes to this point. More than enough clips and the tool is nice, allows removing the clips without damaging them. Number 4. Milton 805 KIT Driveway Signal Bell Kit. Introducing the Milton 805 KIT Driveway Signal Bell Kit. This self-contained unit is designed for your convenience. It features a generous 6-foot cord length, providing ample reach for your setup. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started. You'll find the bell, hose, and an end plug all in one package. Experience the quality of American manufacturing. This product is proudly made in the USA. Setting up your driveway signal has never been easier. It's designed for quick and straightforward installation. Count on its durability and reliability for long-lasting performance. It's built to withstand regular use. What we like. This driveway signal bell kit provides a simple, reliable way to be alerted when a vehicle enters your driveway. If you need a straightforward and durable solution for monitoring your property's entrance, this is ideal. Its self-contained design and US manufacturing offer peace of mind and long-lasting performance. What people say. The bell housing was a perfect fit for my application, requiring no modifications. Excellent quality casting and machining, ensuring a robust and durable component. The design allowed for easy access to the clutch components during installation. Number 3. Range Technology DFM Disabler, Blue. Tired of your GM vehicle switching to 4-cylinder mode? This device ensures your engine stays in V8 mode, providing the power you expect. Get back to full power in seconds. Simply plug it into your vehicle's diagnostic port, no tools or complicated setup required. Worried about altering your car's computer? This device doesn't reprogram the factory ECU, meaning it leaves no trace when removed. Experience consistent power delivery across the entire RPM range. You'll notice a more responsive throttle and the full performance of your V8. Enjoy the benefits of V8 power all the time. It's the simple solution to keep your active fuel management system in check. What we like. This device is designed for GM owners who want to maintain full V8 power without altering their vehicle's computer. If you're looking for an immediate boost in throttle response and consistent power delivery, this is the solution. It's perfect for those who dislike the fuel-saving cylinder deactivation and want a simple, non-invasive way to disable it. What people say. My new 2018 Silverado 1500 model was running well before I plugged it in the OBDII socket, but I wanted the option of disabling this V8, V4 mode because of what had happened to my friend's 2011 Sierra 1500, excessive oil consumption between scheduled oil changes due to worn rings on an otherwise meticulously maintained truck. This was traced to a lack of proper lubrication in V4 mode, an issue supposedly fixed since in the newer models. Researched the oil consumption problem on my 2008 Chevy Silverado 5.3 with active fuel management, and found that when truck goes into 4-cylinder mode it begins to use oil to the tune a quart every 1,500 miles. Decided to buy Range DFM Disable module and it works great. Oil consumption is virtually non-existent. With 85k miles on the truck I change oil every 5k miles and surprise the oil is still there. Works great to keep the engine out of the active fuel management mode and shifts a lot firmer. Just plug into diagnostic port under dash then start engine and give it a minute to reprogram ECM and enjoy your drive. Number 2. DFM Disabler RA003 for GM V6 and V8. This device is designed to work with most GM V6 and V8 vehicles equipped with active or dynamic fuel management systems. It's suitable for cars, trucks, and SUVs. It ensures your vehicle stays in V8 or V6 mode, preventing it from switching to V4. This means your car remains in full cylinder mode without reprogramming the factory ECU. Installation is incredibly easy. Just plug this device into your vehicle's OBD port, and it immediately starts working to disable the DFM system. Once plugged into the diagnostic port, you'll see indicator lights flash. A steady light confirms successful activation. Remember to unplug it if you won't be using it for a while. Please be aware that this product is not compatible with certain 2019 and newer GM trucks or SUVs that have the 5.3L and 6.2L engines with a 10-speed transmission. Always confirm your vehicle's compatibility before purchasing. What we like. This active fuel management disabler offers broad compatibility across many GM V6 and V8 models, making it a versatile option. If you're seeking a user-friendly device that keeps your engine in its full-cylinder mode without reprogramming, this is a great pick. It's suitable for a wide range of GM trucks and SUVs where DFM is a concern. What people say. The bell housing was a perfect fit for my application, requiring no modifications. Excellent quality and robust construction, it feels very durable. The design allowed for easy installation of the clutch and torque converter. Number 1. GM Genuine Parts 295444804 Clutch Housing. Ensure your GM vehicle runs smoothly with this genuine automatic transmission low and reverse clutch housing. It's the recommended replacement part for your original factory component, offering the same quality and reliability. Experience the durability of GM original equipment. This part is manufactured to meet GM OE specifications, guaranteeing a perfect fit, form, and function for your vehicle. Trust in the quality that GM Genuine Parts provide. This clutch housing is built to last, ensuring your transmission operates as intended for years to come. Designed specifically for your GM vehicle, this component ensures seamless integration. Its vehicle-specific fit means you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. Don't let a worn-out part compromise your drive. Replace it with this GM Genuine part to restore your transmission's optimal performance and reliability. What we like. This is a genuine GM part, ensuring the highest quality and perfect fit for your specific GM vehicle's automatic transmission. If you need a reliable replacement for your low and reverse clutch housing and want the assurance of an original equipment manufacturer part, this is the one to choose. It guarantees the same performance and durability as the original component. What people say. The bell housing was a perfect fit for my transmission, making installation straightforward. Excellent quality material and construction, it feels very durable and well made. The design allowed for easy access to the clutch components during assembly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.